Hi, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be reviewing the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster swivel. This is actually our second one. The first one we bought in 2017 and it finally kicked the bucket about a year ago. So it's got quite a nice lifespan, and we bought the exact same one again because it was so wonderful. I got my pile of dirt here already, so we'll give it a test. See how well it vacuums up just even this little tiny stuff here. It's got the extending nozzle and it can even swivel. Hit that button there, it'll swivel around any direction you want, or just keep it back at normal. And then easy disconnect just in case you get kind of a clog in here. It's easy to reach, very easy to clean. Even has the extending nozzle right there, and you can hear it, lock and click back into place, nice and secure. All right, let's give it a test. Alright, that worked really well. You can see it's all attached in there, nice and good. It even cleaned out the little crevice down here really good. It's got a lot of suction power, and even the charging base is nice and small, so it doesn't even take up that much room. We actually take some hot glue and put it on here and attached it to where we want it to sit, and it doesn't move anywhere, and the hot glue doesn't damage whatever we glue it onto. And if it pops off, just re-hot glue it. It doesn't take too much. Even the filter change is actually pretty darn easy. You just hit the button right on top here, pops the whole piece off, and then this just slides out. See, we got all that dirt on there. We'll just make a small mess again, and then keep this gray piece. That's the important bit. There's your dirty filter, that comes off. New clean filter. Obviously you'd want to clean that off a little bit before you put it back together, and it just clicks back into place. We'll just dump all that dirt out. Usually that'd be in the trash bin. And this just pops right back in there. Just clips right back in place. There's a tab right on the bottom, and then pops back in the top. Clean up the new mess we made, and there you have it, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster swivel. This thing is fantastic. I highly recommend it. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching.